this is Tom from Team Pro Cycle bringing you another upgrade to the TW200 project. Today we're going to be installing a set of 4-inch Enduro Doubletake mirrors. To get started, you're going to need a 14mm wrench. On the clutch side, remember the mirror base is lefty-loosey, righty-tighty, and then on the brake lever side, it's actually righty-loosey, lefty-tighty. We went with the Enduro mirror as they are extremely durable, they fold right out of the way, and they give you that classic sleek dual sport look. If you're looking to add any non-Yamaha specific mirrors to your TW200, you will need a right-handed threaded adapter that can be found on our website. Now that you've got your right-handed threaded adapter, go ahead and put that in and tighten it down. Next, you'll grab your ram mount arm and ball socket. Go ahead and install it into either end, doesn't matter, and start threading them into the mirror mounts. On the throttle side, because it is reverse thread, I'll go ahead and use a 13mm wrench to hold the reverse threaded adapter in place while I tighten down the ram mount. And I will tighten the ram mount arm down onto the ball socket and use that as a point of leverage to really ensure that it's tight. Alright, once you have both mirrors installed, go ahead and sit on the bike and position them to where you like them. Congratulations, you've successfully installed a set of Doubletake mirrors on your TW200. Hey, thanks for sticking around. If you liked what you saw, please give us a thumbs up, and if you want to see more content from us, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. Please be sure to follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for watching, and remember, the adventure begins here.